Hi there, my name is Lisa and I'm going to do a review of my smart pet hoover. To start off with, here on the back you have your plug which just wraps around there along with that. You've also got your little clip to clip it on, a little brush to do your banisters, your stairs, etc. On the side bit here you have two cylinder tubes which attaches onto your hose here, which is really long, to do your stairs, reaching up to top skipping boards, etc. And on the front bit here you have your smart pet brush, which is really good, doing your stairs, bedding, pillows, sweets, leather sweets, etc. That just clips onto there, which is very handy. Now on the front bit here, you just press this little button here, your cylinder pops off. On the front bit here, you have this little button, you just push it, and out comes all your rubbish. Just put it back up. Now on this bit here, you just twist this open, and here is your washable filter, which is very good. Instead of having to buy filters all the time, you just wash that one. I find that quite handy. That just clips back on there. Back on there, and on the front bit you've also got this little filter here in the back, just clips on the front. You've also got 5 different settings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hard floor, pile carpets, vinyl, your pile rugs, non-pile carpets, things like that. And on the side bit here, this button here, you push and that pops your hoover back so you can push it while you're hoovering. And on this side here, you have your button here to press it on and off. It's really a great hoover. I definitely recommend this hoover to anyone who has pets, especially long-haired pets, cats, dogs, etc. It really is good. Excellent value for money, great price too. Thank you for watching my review. Goodbye.